Okay guys, today on Southern Hood, we're going to be talking about what we bring in our pack for our backcountry elk hunt.
Southern born and southern bred. There's no other place I'd rather lay my head than underneath that Dixie sky, watching the moon and the stars go by.
Alright guys, so we're going on an elk hunt in September. My buddy David here, we're going to go bow hunting. And so a lot of folks have been asking us, just what do you bring in your pack when you're going on a backcountry elk hunt? So we just thought we'd just do a little video here. So first off, we wanted to talk about our tent and our sleep system. Now, being dry and staying warm in the backcountry is very important. And being comfortable.
Very comfortable. Which
is why we go with a Coleman 8-man. Now you can have one of those small bivy tents or just one-man tents or little tarp tents, ground cloth
tarp
stuff,
and a couple poles.
Yeah,
what people use these days.
But right here, if you really want to be comfortable, this is what you really want right there. Now, sleeping bag. They got a lot of sleeping systems out there, but not really necessary.
Well, see, you're going to need a sleeping bag. You're a smaller person. Me, I don't need one. I'm a furnace. I stay warm. You're going to need all of this.
Yeah. I go with just a regular old Walmart Coleman sleeping bag here. It's rated down to around, I think, 50 degrees.
Yeah, that should be good. 50 degrees.
50 degrees. So as long as you got plenty of clothes on, that'll keep you warm.
Well, you got me sleeping in the tent next to you.
Yeah.
You can sleep right next to me. I'll keep you warm. All right, so we got our tent. And we got our sleeping bag. What else do you think we need?
Well, to be comfortable in a tent, you need a good mattress, which is why I've got me here a good queen size air mattress. Yeah.
Just happens to be Coleman too, man.
Coleman. You can get it at Walmart.
I like it.
That and this little.
Yeah, because it'd take me too dang long to blow
air
this sucker up. About 3 hours to blow this sucker up. But
Now, they got a lot of these lightweight mattresses systems that you can, sleep systems, but right here, I tell you what, man, you're going to be significantly more comfortable if you got your nice queen size blow up mattress.
All right,
especially in the tent. So yeah, between your tent, your backpack, your sleeping bag, and your air mattress, that's a great sleep system, I think.
Yeah, definitely. I think this is going to go really well. I think the next thing we need to talk about is
food and cooking systems.
Food and cooking systems, yeah.
All right, now we've talked about our sleeping system and our tent system, and now one of the next and most important things is your cooking and your food. There's lots of different cooking programs out there as far as stoves and burners and everything, but I find that just a good old 2-burner Coleman really is all you need. So between got your stove there,
got our fuel
and your fuel tank, you can cook a lot of meals with a good Coleman 2-burner stove.
Okay.
Yeah. And now when it comes to food, there's lots of different backpacking meals that you can get, dehydrated stuff, but honestly, there's just really only 2 good things you need here.
Yes. Yeah.
Baked beans.
Oh, ramen.
Ramen noodles.
You even got the shrimp flavor.
Flavor.
Yeah. Well, what you got there? Coconut oil. Oh, this is genius.
Yeah.
They say that you're going to burn a lot of calories when you're up there in the
need some
mountains
calories.
and you're hiking around. And
Ramen noodles, coconut oil.
man, 2 tablespoons of this with a pack of ramen noodles, set you right. Set you right.
And people always ask me, what do I cook with when I'm in backcountry? Honestly, this is really just about all you need.
Yeah, that's that's your pot and your bowl all in one. You just eat right out of the pot, right?
Yeah. Well,
dinner made for 2?
I do bring a plate if you have a guest.
Oh, am I the guest?
Well, you probably are. And then, of course, one last thing you need.
Oh, please tell me you got some sweets in there. Gummy bears, yes. Looks like you've been already partaking in the sweetness. Oh yeah, that's good.
I'm a big gummy bear fan.
Oh.
Yep, that's it. All right. We talked about our sleeping system, food, cooking program here.
Oh.
One last thing you gotta talk about. Your water.
Water, yeah, water.
Yep.
Definitely gotta have water.
Okay. All right. Talked about a food, talked about a cooking system, sleeping system. One of the most very important things when you're in the backcountry.
Water.
Water.
Gotta have water. Or a way to have clean water, right?
That's it. So, we recommend the pure water filter. You can pick this up at Walmart.
Or your local hardware store.
Yeah. You just fill this thing up and you can purify pretty much all the water you need. What does it say here?
Trying to find the
And the good thing about this pure water filter here is you can use it at the house.
Oh yeah, definitely use the house. It says here, replace up to 3,000 plastic bottles a year.
Right?
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome. So it's a 7-cup system. 7-cup system.
Yeah,
so
that's
we could get water out of the creek.
You just
out
fill
of
up
the pond.
Fill it up there and purify your water.
That's another genius thing to have with you.
Yep. There it is, y'all. This is pretty much what we bring for when we're going to do a backcountry elk hunt. You know, there's lots of folks who really try to go light, you know, but if you're really, you know, if you need that 25-pound pack, this ain't
for you.
This ain't for you. No, this is not for you.
We want to sleep comfortable,
stay warm.
We want to be well fed. Definitely well fed.
And have plenty of water. And if you do that when you're in the backcountry, you're going to have a good trip.
And this backpack will carry all of it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we just emptied it all out of here.
Yeah.
So
that's it. That's it, y'all. Hey, appreciate it. Hey, stick with us. We're going to have a video soon. We're going to be going elk hunting. I think you're going to like it. Hey, thanks again, y'all. And remember,
it's just better down here, y'all.
It is. All right, guys. Hope y'all liked that video and you thought it was pretty funny. And by the way, Coleman.
No, Coleman does not pay us. They don't sponsor. They don't contribute to our bills. Nothing. They ain't got a dog in this fight.
Yeah. So hey, we had fun making this video. Hope y'all had fun and got some laughs out of watching it. Hey, do me a favor, guys, and hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up on this video.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. SouthernHood.com.
Check out all our gear, hats, t-shirts we got going there. All right, hey, thanks again, y'all. And it is better down here.
It really is better down here, y'all.
Southern born and Southern bred.